Welcome back to the channel, coin lovers. The 1979 Susan B. Anthony $1 coin with no mint mark, especially those found in black or heavily toned condition. This coin may seem ordinary at first glance, but for collectors and coin enthusiasts, it holds surprising value and historical importance. Let's explore why this coin is gaining attention in the rare coin market. 1979 Susan B. Anthony dollar was introduced by the United States Mint as the first U.S. coin to feature a real woman, Susan B. Anthony, a pioneer in the women's suffrage movement. The coin was created to replace the larger Eisenhower dollar and was intended for everyday use. However, due to its similarity in size and color to the quarter, it was often confused and quickly became unpopular in circulation. Despite its short-lived success in commerce, it became a historically significant collectible. Coins without a mint mark were produced in Philadelphia, which is why these pieces are often referred to as 1979 P coins, even though the P mint mark was not used on circulating coins at that time. The obverse of the coin features a portrait of Susan B. Anthony facing right with the inscriptions "Liberty" and "In God We Trust." The reverse showcases an eagle landing on the moon, inspired by the Apollo 11 mission, along with the inscription "United States of America" and $1. What makes certain 1979 coins particularly unique is their condition. Some coins develop a dark, blackened tone over time due to environmental exposure, oxidation, or improper storage. While many collectors prefer bright, uncirculated coins, others value these black-tone coins for their distinctive appearance, especially if the toning is natural and evenly spread. These coins can stand out in auctions when combined with high-grade preservation. At first glance, the 1979 Susan B. Anthony's dollar without a mint mark is not rare in terms of mintage. Millions were produced. However, rarity in coin collecting is not just about numbers, it's about condition, errors, and uniqueness. Coins in pristine, uncirculated condition or those with rare minting errors such as off-center strikes, double dies, or unusual toning can be extremely valuable. Blacktone coins, if naturally aged and visually appealing, can attract niche collectors who appreciate unique patina. Additionally, coins graded by professional services in high mint state (MS) levels are always in strong demand. The value of a standard 1979 Susan B. Anthony dollar without a mint mark in circulated condition is typically around $10 million. However, when you move into uncirculated grades, prices can rise to $10 million or even higher depending on the condition. Now here, where things get interesting, coins with exceptional black toning or rare mint errors have been known to sell for $10 million or even more at auctions. High-grade specimens graded MS-65 or above, especially with unique toning, can fetch premium prices in the collector market. In rare cases, error coins or perfectly preserved examples have reached into the $10 million. If you come across a 1979 Susan B. Anthony dollar, don't ignore it. First, examine the coin closely for any unusual features such as errors, sharp details, or unique coloration. Avoid cleaning the coin, as this can significantly reduce its value. Consider having the coin graded by a professional grading service if it appears to be in excellent condition or has rare features. Store your coins in protective holders to prevent further damage or unwanted toning unless the toning adds value. Also, keep an eye on auction platforms and coin shows to understand current market trends. The value of coins can fluctuate depending on collector demand and rarity factors. 1979 Susan B. Anthony $1 coin without a mint mark may look like an ordinary piece of change, but under the right conditions, it can be a hidden treasure. From its historical significance honoring a powerful figure like Susan B. Anthony to its potential value in the rare coin market, this coin proves that even modern currency can hold surprising worth. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check your coins because your next big discovery could already be in your pocket.